Hi there, just bought this small standing desk and just thought I'd hop on and share with you. Got this from Amazon, and I do work at home, but I wanted the option to be able to sit like at the couch with my laptop, or at times stand. And so this has been the perfect solution. It has a really easy lever, which is right underneath the unit. You just use this to make the desk go up, and I'll show you how that works. And now you've got it into a standing position. As you can see, it is on wheels, so you can move it around very easily if you're wanting to work in different areas of your home. And let's just do some measurements so you can kind of see your actual workspace on the top is looking to be 25 inches. My mouse even works on this without a mouse pad, which is super cool. I just love the convenience of being able to be mobile, being that this is on wheels. It is very heavy duty. This is the one in white. And again, you're just using that lever to change whether you are up, standing, or whether you're now in a sitting position. So it's just great for work at home, and I highly, highly recommend this.